through the stormy haze. Salt water kissed us in endless ways. We whispered vows the wind couldn't erase. Seagulls screamed like they knew the score. Jealous cries as we swore and swore. At the lighthouse where the sea meets the sky, promises made as the world passed by. The wind howled, the rain cried, but we stayed at the lighthouse where love won't fade. The floorboards creaked as the tempest raged. We laughed and danced like the world was staged. The sea held secrets only we engaged. Our shadows tangled in the lantern's glow. Hearts that sail where the tide would go. At the lighthouse where the sea meets the sky, promises made as the world passed by. The wind howled, the rain cried, but we stayed at the lighthouse where